Welcome to converting an appraisal to a listing. From the main screen of Complete Data, to convert an appraisal to a listing, we can select on the contacts icon. We can find the contact that we'd like to convert the appraisal from. So we can select on Quick Find. In this case, I'm going to use their name. I'm going to enter in once I've selected the correct contact, I can now change their vendor status from a potential vendor to a vendor yes. I can select the vendor icon to see the past appraisals. In this case, it is 61 Webb Street that I have appraised that I will turn into a listing. So I can select View here, and I can view the current appraisal. All I need to do to change this to a listing is change the status from appraised to listed. And once I've made this change, I can now go into Trails. And what I'll do is I'll delete the trail, follow-up appraisal trail. And that will remove any of the tasks that are completed no. So I'll leave anything that I've already completed. And now I can set them on my awaiting contract trail. So I can set the trail for the vendor yes. I can select my start date. That's going to show me all the tasks that I need to complete. And the most important task here is to make sure that I've got on my last task what I need to do next. So I need to set the contracts receive trail as soon as I receive the contracts. On any other sort of trail, we'd need to make sure that we have select new trail. So if a buyer trail runs out, we need to make sure that we're setting them on a new trail, or we're receiving a prompt that we need to set them on a new trail. I can now select back into details, and I've got all of my information set up so that it's going to automatically prompt me to do all my tasks. Now I just need to make sure I go through and fill in the listing details. So is it exclusive? The date I've listed the properties? How long is my contract for? I can select the calculator to automatically enter in the expiry date, the price that I've listed the property for, list price view, the vendor type. I can fill in a summary here, the property type, any improvements that are included in the contract, any inclusions, the exclusions, the rates for the council strata, keys, levy keys, the zoning of the property, the lot number and DP. If it's currently rented, I can fill in the rental information. I've got the method of sale, the internet reference, the street directory. If it is an auction, I can fill in this information, and any inspection notes. So I might only be able to inspect the property on a Tuesday. So I just need to make sure that all the other agents in the office know this information too, or that I've got some sort of prompt in here for myself. Once I've got the property on the internet, I can put the internet URL in here, and then I can always click on view property on the web, and I just know I'm going to be taken to that property nice and quick and easy. I can fill in all of the property details. Energy efficiency rating and air conditioning. Each time I contact the owner, I can write a property note. I just need to make sure that I update this note so that no one can make any changes to it. I've also got my SMS message, which anyone that inquires about this property, I can send them the automatic SMS message text to go about this property when they inquire in. The last thing that I do when I'm entering a new listing is just click into sales advice. And I just want to make sure that I fill in their vendor, solicitor or conveyancer. Thank you for watching, converting an appraisal to a listing.